So here we see the unit for density is the gram per cc. If we assume the mass of the 1 liter water is a 1 kilogram, if we take the 1 liter water, okay, and what is the mass of that 1 liter water? It is the 1 kilogram. And what is the density of water for the 1 liter water when the mass is 1 kilogram? Means here, what is the quantity of volume and mass? Mass is, okay, here I write down mass is 1 kilogram, but here we have to take mass in the gram. So if we convert 1 kilogram into gram, so we know 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams. So here write down 1000. Okay, I write down here 1000 gram. Okay, and here 1 liter is equal 1 liter is equal to how much cc? If we calculate this, what is the answer? If we take cubic centimeter, 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay, so here 1 liter is equal to also 1000 cubic centimeter. It is the gram and it is the cc. Okay, so here by taking the ratio, answer is 1. What is the answer? It is the 1 gram per cc. Okay, how can we calculate this density for the water? Here you should take the mass of the water is 1 kilogram, which is equal to 1000 gram. Okay, here we convert the 1 kilogram into gram, that is the 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram, and 1 liter is equal to 1000 cubic centimeter. Okay, so here in this formula I introduce the value for the mass and volume for the water, and calculating this we find out what is the density of water. So density of water is the 1 gram per cc. Gram per cc means gram per cubic centimeter. Okay, so here by this way we can calculate the density of water. Okay, so here think about that is see this question, think about that. What will the mass of the water change when its state changes during the transformation of liquid water into ice? So here they ask a question which is related to the mass of the water. So when the liquid water get transfer into the ice, so what happen related to their mass? Either there is a change in mass takes place. So we know the law of conservation of mass. According to this, there is a no change in mass takes place during the transformation of liquid water into the ice. So answer is that mass does not get changed when the liquid water get converted into ice. So see the next point for the water, that is anomalous behavior of water. So here what is the anomalous? Anomalous means abnormal behavior, means it is not similar as like for the other substances behave. So here behavior of water is anomalous, means abnormal behavior of water. So why this is happen? Why such type of behavior is see for the water? So here we see this para. See, usually when the temperature of substance is lowered, its density increases as the volume decreases. But water is an exception to this rule. Means generally what is the rule for any substances? What happen when the temperature of any substance get lowered? During such condition, density of that substance will get increased and volume get decreased. Means here what is the relation between density and volume? When we decrease the temperature of any substance, when we decrease the temperature of any substance, due to this decrease in temperature, density of that substance get increased. Why? Because all the particles get come closer to one another. Due to this what happen? Density of that substance will get increased, and volume means the space required for that substance will get decreased. So volume required for that substance will get decreased because all the particles come closer to one another, so it required very small space. So due to this we can say that when the density of any substance get increases, the volume get decreases. Means there is a reversible relation between the density and volume. When the density increases, volume get decreases, but it is not seen in for the water. In the water, what happen? There is a density increases and volume. Here what happen? Volume increases and density become less. If we see the above activity, that is, we keep the ice in the ice pieces into the water. In that case, what happen? Density of ice is less than the density of water, means it is reverse as a rule in the case of water. So due to this, we can say that water behave as a abnormal. It is not as per a rule. What is the rule? Density increases, volume decreases. But in case of water or ice, what happen? There is a density decreases and volume increases when the water get converted into ice. So it shows different behavior as per the rule. Okay, so due to this we can say that, or due to this we there is a statement like that water shows the anomalous behavior. So here we see the next activity, that is the fourth activity. Keep a glass full of water in the freezer for a 5 to 10 minutes, then take it out and observe it carefully. Here you take a water in the glass, that is, this glass is full of water. Then after 5 to 10 minutes, take it out and observe it carefully. What happened? From which part in the glass does the water first start freeze? Means uh, there is a, when we keep this water, either from the lower part or the upper part of this water get freeze. So here the lower part of this water get freeze, means the water get converted into ice. From which part? The lower part of this glass, it start to freeze. Okay, so here the density of water is peculiar. Peculiar means that is the, it shows the different as compared with the other substances. Peculiar means density of water is different as we compared to the another substance. When the water at normal temperature start cooling, means here when we cool the water at normal temperature, what happen? Its density increases like that of most liquids. Means at normal temperature it shows same behavior as the other liquids. Okay, so however, if its temperature falls below 4 degree, but it shows anomalous behavior below the 4 degree temperature. Means if we see this image here, if the temperature of water get falls down, that is for before the 4 degree, that is 4 degree, 3 degree, 2 degree and 1 minus 1 1 degree. So up to this, when the temperature get falls down, then what happen? During this temperature, this density start decreasing, density of water start decreasing. Okay, and here density decreases and volume of that water get increases. Due to that, we see that ice require the more space as compared to the liquid water. Why? Because we know that at the normal temperature, when the water get cool, it density increases as like that of a most liquid. Okay, but when the temperature falls down below the 4 degree as like this, during this what happen? The anomalous behavior is shown by the water, that is here density goes on decreasing and volume get increases. Okay, so this means that the density of water is maximum at 4 degree. Means up to 4 degree density of water is maximum, but after 4 degree what happen? If the temperature of water is lowered below the 4 degree, its density decreases and volume increases. Means at which temperature water shows the anomalous behavior? Below the 4 degree temperature, water shows the different or abnormal behavior as compared with the other substance. Okay, so here below the 4 degree temperature, density of water get decreases and volume of water get increases. It means that what happen? Water get expand. Here water get expand below this 4 degree. Okay, during this what happen? I again explain. Below this 4 degree, density goes on decreasing and volume increases. Volume increases means it required more space, water get expand. See here, the space for the water is get increased when the temperature will decreased up to the uh, 0 degree centigrade or up to the -1 or 1 degree centigrade. So due to this, what happen, when the water get converted into ice, the ice require the more space, that is the volume is increased for ice and density will get decreased. Okay, so here it means that water expands when the temperature falls below 4 degree. So this behavior of the water is called anomalous behavior of water. So I hope you understand in which way the water shows anomalous behavior. Okay, so you remember that for the water only, there is a decrease in density takes place below the 4 degree temperature, and volume of that water get increased, that is water get expand. And due to this, what happen, below the 4 degree temperature water shows the anomalous behavior, means it is shows the different behavior as we compared with the another substances. Okay,